Welcome to this course, and today I want to talk about a method that I learned from somebody who made around $2,700 in sales in the first week of doing this. And what he did was he would find influencers on Instagram and ask them for shoutouts. If you don't know what a shoutout is, it's like a recommendation. Okay? And then after he finds these influencers that are willing to give him a shout out for the right price, he would then research the niche and create the product. And then once he creates the product, he would go ahead and pay the influencers to do the shout out and get traffic to his store and make sales. Okay? And once a process is complete, you could just repeat it with the same influencer, create a different product, or you could find more influencers in the same niche or even different niches and just repeat the whole process again. So in the following videos, I'm going to go more in depth, show you each step of the way, and show you also how to create the product quickly. So I'll see you in the following video.